Okay, so she codes the thing, yeah, I deleted the video, blah 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 blah. So, I'm gonna try this one more time. I decided to do it for all of the females. Yeah. Let's do this thing. She's near the human's place. I will bring curves in case Lily is hurt. That's horrible. She's near the human's place. I will bring herbs in case Lily is hurt. That was much better. Okay. And that was Heather, I believe. Alright, next one. I really don't remember my name. I really don't remember my name. Maybe I was, that was Lynn. Next is F. How about we play something new, something fun? That was, yeah, that was it. Alright, next one is Matt. Put down my pup or I'll take it from you. Alright. That's all that I basically say. Woohoo! Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Bye.